So our Bronco wheels came in. We're still waiting for a lift that works for the Badlands, but we're not gonna wait. We're just gonna put on the new wheels anyways with 37-inch tires and hope for the best. Toyo Open Country RTs 37 by 12.5. These are great tires, guys, if you want like some nice mud terrain / street tire hybrid, I guess you can say. It's still pretty aggressive looking, but it's pretty comfortable for daily driving. Do you think it's gonna fit?
People online say it fits, so I'm about to find out.
Oh, these are nice. Satin bronze in the middle, but then you have the satin black or matte black outer beadlock ring. I thought the whole wheel was gonna be bronze, but I'm glad that it's actually this two-tone because it looks a lot better this way. Especially going with the matte green that we have on the Bronco, I think it's gonna be a really good match.
Hey, you love that color.
Bronze, I love it.
You'll put it on every car.
Hey, bronze is cool, man. It's a new black.
Yeah, it's like black for me, but you see the details.
Oh, dude,
Yeah,
the thing is massive. For us to have a better chance of getting the new tires to fit, what we're going to do is we're going to remove this end cap here on the bumper. So it doesn't rub?
No, but it would probably rub if there's articulation where it angles.
Yeah.
But like straight, flat parking lot, no.
So actually we're going to get an extender for the light. That way we can put a 37-inch tire on here without having issues.
Push it in.
Just roll it on, bro.
Oh,
Yep.
damn.
75. There you go.
It's going to be at least 100. This thing's heavy.
I guess Haywood would win.
Extra each corner.
How are you?
In my opinion, these are the best looking wheels for the Bronco out currently. With the current setup, we're running 37s with no lift since there's nothing out yet for the Badlands. No rubbing for normal driving, but I do notice a bit of rubbing at max turns. It's doable for the time being since we aren't going to be off-roading, but definitely looking forward to a lift when available. Spoke design looks great and the finish is on point with the matte green wrap. Fitment is also a little more aggressive, staying a little past the stock narrow fenders. If you're looking at a set, we do have these in stock and ready to go. Tesla, he installed an exhaust for this car, but I don't believe him. It just
Rumbling now, Haywood. Sounds good.
So what'd you do?
He unplugged something.
I disconnected the muffler. Why is the tip right here? I don't know why.
Where did you get that from? Was it just one that we had laying around?
The Lamborghinis where they set the wrong tips. Listen to it. That sounds tough.
Do you know how to take the doors off?
I don't know.
Wait.
You tell me the doors just come off now. No way.
Oh, shit. It just. Oh, that's it.
That's easy.
Oh, that's not bad. That looks, you know what? That's kind of cool.
Sean, we should have taken the door off to wrap it.
That's too much work. Crazy, I can see the ground. I can touch it.
Wow, this is so weird. Oh shit, it did take the existing bolts.
Ooh.
It's a double step.
Oh, nice. It goes in and comes out when you need it to, so it's hidden. So we got the Bronco up on the lift. We're actually removing the factory rock sliders, and we're putting on Aries.
I feel like this is actually lighter. Hold on, pick up the stock one.
It's surprising. I mean, I don't know.
It feels surprisingly light.
Does it look ready?
It's a step within a step.
Inception.
Wait.
What?
I want you to do something for me.
What?
I want you to put your shin right here.
You're such a
It seems like if a kid was like right there, it could impale him.
No! Okay, I can't see that. Do you think it'll support your weight?
Which step?
Let's go, Dustin. Oh, yeah. Nice. Bronco mods are starting to trickle in now. We got the wheels on and now the side steps. These Aries steps are a great option for those looking for electronic running boards since they conveniently drop down when you need them, and the boards themselves look really nice. They got a good shape to them and they're beefier than the stock ones despite feeling lighter. And for those of you who are curious about the sound, it's very quiet. I'll show you what it sounds like up close. I would say it's about the same level of noise as like the amp research. It's definitely a lot quieter than the rock sliders that they made for the Jeep Wrangler JKs. I've seen those in person. Those are really loud. This one sounds a lot better. It doesn't sound grindy, if that makes sense. So I think a lot of people will like that.